Ibhola lethu, ibhola lomzansi namaphethelo. Keep liking and subscribing. Ngithe mangibona i-draw ye-round of 16 e-Nedbank Cup, ngabiza out yami ngithi kuyaphuthuma mele soshoota immediately. Nawa abantu berojwa broad daylight. Ready nje yami.
Mnandi vijona.
Mnandi. Kwenzakalani ngebhayana yamfethu lokhu kuyayehlela nje.
Barojwa njani? Thina senze i-draw phela bafethu.
Yeah.
So this is all Nedbank officials vele abayitunayo dide. So i-draw yenziwe sithole yona Kasrick Stars.
Kasrick, yeah.
So I'm looking forward to it.
Before we get to Kasrick Stars, last abamakhelwane bakho u-draw 32 baye bathola i-Stelis,
yeah.
When uya wasitholela i-TTM of which you hammered 4-1. So bathi uzothola intanga zakho on the next round. Baya ku riding abadraw ne-Kasrick, and we've got riding i-TS Galaxy by draw ne-Mamelodi Sundowns which are both riding with PSL, and then we also have i-Golden Arrows by draw ne-Stellenbosch. Out of wonke ama-fixtures, you're the only one. Okay, isikhukhune sisitholele university, but you got a team riding egumvela, of which nakhona it's not a good match. It's gonna be a walk in the park because you're number 2. So let's start from a game at TTM. Did you think that game we winning of 4 because you were good, or and coming to the Kasrick njobuzo this coming weekend?
Okay, sharp fele bafethu ibhakani yaleli bafethu ntshebe. Anyways, let me say start ukona ku Chakuma ne?
Yeah.
Ku Chakuma, if you look at my first 11, okay fine. I had regular players being now. It was Apolis, it was Umuremi, it was also Ubani Umbuthuma. Those are regular players engidlala ngazo phambili. Ngithola is my attacking angithi. And then in the middle of the park I had your Umbatha. I also had Ubani lo mfana lo naman ebesimdlalisa omunye.
There was also Chabatsani playing.
Yeah, Chabatsani was also playing because Siema was suspended for that game. So kula ma games aso check any coach like he's giving ama players ukuthi vele they were like abanye babo babuya kuma injuries ne. If fitness is very important. Okay fine, they've been training so far, but then like it's very important nathi ukuthi okay fine sibagaye in game time and all. That's why ubone ku introduce the likes of a mover, ku introduce the likes of a firefighter and all. So these are more of like 14 preparation games young told, of which it was not a very easy game against Chakuma, but then we were able to suppress them. We were able to make them play leo bola beselfuna sibavalele nje ikhoneni ngiyangithola. So it's all about the rotation of football, how good and how understanding ama player, like the understanding ama player yabona towards whatever it is ekumele bayenze. So we ngathi nithina sibashaye nje ngani ngeexperience uyangithola yokuthi we are the biggest team siku PSL uyangithola. We are not just any other team. So bona they were the team from a lower division, but then they did what they had to do, bruh, and then they ended up scoring one of the most beautiful set piece. And then so Tinanje, we just giving ulama games so we're not going all out. That's why we want to spend the likes of Umfuke and the likes of Umakaula and all, just for them to get the rest, and then bafocus kuma fixture which are very serious.
So with you drawing riding nama team aku lower division, do you think that gives you isikhathi ukuthi ukwazi ukuprepare and see ukuthi abo bani ama player ngina like squad depth sakho njengoba usho ukuthi it's preparation games, and going forward kule game lena, how are you going to be facing le game le going forward riding a Kasrick?
Exactly, this gives us a very it gives us a coach ne technical team yakhe an opportunity to recreate i-riding siyabo i-plan yabo babone ukuthi okay fine kula ma players ukuthi bewa injured ukuthi abobani abablenda nabobani uyangithola, who is playing good nobani njani uyangithola. So isigaya leso sikhathi, and it is very important for us njengoba ubona ukuthi sichase i-league, uyayibona la idea, njengoba ubona ukuthi sichase i-league, we are also chasing yona i-Nedbank, we're taking it serious.
Because that's what I was gonna say ukuthi if the fixture was different, bozosebenzisa ama-player different, or if you were given i-Sundowns or mhlambi Steelies, were you gonna now twitch i squad sakho based on what team you're playing?
I think that was going to be a point whereby you were gonna see bona the likes of Abu Relay, the likes of Umakaula baqala game, because those are the most important players in terms of everything. Like when we're playing against Amati, if ever besodlala ne team egu PSL, we're not going to take it lightly. Even though Kaizer Stars, we're not going to take it lightly. But then we're going to introduce some players ukuthi vele sifuna babuyele back to their fitness, back to their form yangithola. So ikuzoba kule team esiyakuyo Kaizer Stars is still going to be the very same thing of whereby we're going to see a whole lot of changes in terms of the first 11 and stuff.
Because ngiyabona Dr. Ivan Khoza is also cashing ama-stray bullets, but kahle vele asuke kule situlo sakhe seboard ye-PSL, because it doesn't make sense. Yes, we know ukuthi siyayibukela it-toss when it happens, there's no way it's rigged, but they're also referring to ama-game we-league. But abantu laba naseligini bayaphumula abadlali. Then when it comes to ama-cup athola ama-team are easy. Do you think Ivan has anything to do with that?
It amuses me because we tend to like point fingers, more especially when things don't go our way. Young Ton. Even our coaches up have been complaining lately. You look at Ikoshi Sundowns, Okadoso, he's been like really complaining. You look at Ulo Chiefs, he's been complaining now, in terms of our fixtures and how games are being played. But then we're forgetting one thing. Chiefs and Sundowns, they're representing us in both CAF Confederation and CAF Champions League. So their schedule is very tight. We are also going to a World Cup this season. I mean this year. So of which we like each and every team has to like be up to standard ngani ngama games nama fixtures why. So Chiefs and Sundowns will look at them and be like, no, they're playing too many games, blah blah blah. No. If ever bona they have to play during the week, go fixture a league. It is supposed to happen because of one thing and one thing only. Because they're also playing another fixture, of which is a what? Is a international one. So agnala ukoza ngena khona. Even nathi last season we were still playing like that when we were representing South Africa in CAF. Even Sundowns were playing like that. Yangithola of whereby we need to push a fixture in both sides. Yangithola. So yeah, I mean I understand maybe Umatala he's behind this. And then when we come to indaba league ukuthi ubani ohleli lapho whatever. Remember Ivan Khoza was ready to step down. And then the likes of Abu Kaizer Mtaung, he bought a PSL was like, no, continue doing what you're doing. Because it shows ukuthi they're doing whatever he may be doing is great. He's doing a great job. And then remember we lost Kumbula Ilona Maipuma. DStv. DStv temayiphuma kwenzakalani. That guy got us a sponsor within a couple of weeks.
Yeah, which was the Betway.
Which was the Betway, of which ipatala grand. So nyizwe bakhala ngento ibhaya, imali yayikhuphuchulwa, imali yama ridings uthiwa yini? Imali fundings and stuff is 2 million blah 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 blah. But let's remember, it's not ispanse PSL ukuthi sifunda ama teams. If ever you're going to own a team everywhere in the world, you must be very well financed ukuthi uzokwazi ukuthi wenzeni i-team yakho ingahlukumezeki or anything wabona financially.
But it's only fair ukuthi na i-PSL lokhu iwa increase la funding ngeke kube i-funding yemeter until it's been how many years manje.
Okay.
Yeah,
leyo nayo is understandable It's understandable. But then, let's look at it at this way. There is that money, efakiwe, of which is 900 million, a billion, almost a billion. We don't know what Leo budget here for how long. What if that billion by Kipilo or that 900 million has to sustain EPSL for 3 years?
I get you.
Young Todd, or for 5 years. It's not something, it's not like by keeper a billion each and every season. Let's say it's a once-off payment for 3 years or for 5 years. Young Todd. So now your Leo funding, we have to like see sebenze wisely. Ukuthi in 3 years time izokwazi ukwenza ukusustain EPSL. So we need to look at those kind of things.
Yep.
Because we don't know ukuthi every season or contract team.
I get you. So in closing, Mfana, you're gonna be facing the Sundowns footy. So with what Ukadoso has been doing, do you think those are just mind games? Ukuthi by the time in Bafesa already mentally senlimele because he's been targeting you guys?
No. Ukadoso is not a mastermind or anything. I've watched way many 2 games as Kadoso. Kadoso is he's just an arrogant coach, for me. Like he speaks whatever he wants to speak, and then ilabantu ukuthi maybe liwe, or if he's struggling to win, he's always trying to find something to hide behind an excuse. So Ukadoso udlale nathi yakhombula semsha 2-0 within 5 minutes. Whereby really we regular down in just 5 minutes. So like Ukadoso for me now, he doesn't have a strategy, bro. He doesn't have a strategy. He's got good quality players, but then his strategy aganaso so far. You understand? His strategy aganaso so far. He doesn't know how to use his players. That's all that I can say. He's not trying to play any mind games. Instead, we are playing mind games. Tina's sidlala wona mind games. You understand? Because if you look, Tina, ama players were to say rotate, and now rotate my players work. But then I think the rotation yakhe, it's quite mina ngathi judgmental, like ngayijudge ukuthi he doesn't know how to use his players.
2 questions Mfana before sivala. Give me your prediction against the Kazrek, and then lastly we are starting that back or kanjani?
It's gonna be a very tough tournament. It's gonna be a very tough tournament. But then with the mentality of the players that I have, we've got depth, we got strong players mentally, emotionally. So I believe nale ibuye ekhaya. It doesn't matter ukuthi ngizohlangana nabani nakuma quarter final or semis, but mina ukusalayo into engiyaziyo ngale mentality yama player ngwaphethe, we going to win this one if only set our mind right, se focus, and then they know ukuthi it's one of kuzoba history. We're trying to make a history here
because kuzoba a treble if you get this one.
Yes. It's gonna be a treble, and then like
with the league hanging
with e-league hanging. So we could scoop 5 this season. We could scoop 5 because ne league ngiyathatha bro. Make no mistake, ne league ngiyathatha me out.
But we know good to Nedbank Cup ama underdogs awayenza nama big teams, so you can't be sure.
No, mina I'm definitely sure. Kaizer Stars yabona ilona yabo uqala, the most unfortunate yabo uqala, like ba unlucky ukuthi this game will be played where Escotini. Of whereby lapho ke it's a massacre. Uyazi ukuthi
sengisense sold out already.
Already. It may be a small team, but then it's going to be sold out. Young Tol, it's going to be sold out. Mabagani asiphumeni sobukela abafana, and then we are going forward. Mina yiyo lento ngayisho nje.
Ngai prediction yakho seyivale.
All right. iKaizer bafethu ngeke izithole, yazi izoyitholela 3 nje bafethu. Bona ke they won't even be able to score 1. But then like ama goals 3-0.
With Ubuthelezi epaleni.
With Ubuthelezi epaleni.
Clean sheet. abantu bayakhala ngale free kick leyana bathi hani bonda lakhe akakwazi ukulimisa lo muntu
yeyish ayinaye angazi ukuthi ngicabangeni ke lapha and to think ukuthi lela bhola lize straight to him, lize straight to his side, ukuthi yena how he dived uyibone kanjani ibhola, you will never understand ukuthi
njengabantu abafishane ku Facebook
but then ibhola liye kuye ibhola liye straight to his leadings side.
That's why I question it.
But then we're going to continue, we're going to win this one now. You're 3-0 down, that's it. Kaizer Stars won't even get one.
3 Mapagani and Kaizer Stars but babuya nalo ibhola lethu ibhola lomzansi nabaphethela
danko Mapagani.